Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we're going to be unboxing my Craft Haven tumbler order. Now, some of you may know Craft Haven sponsors our channel. They have been since we launched and we're super grateful for that because I've always loved their products even before I was on YouTube. And they've just always loved and supported us. And I'm super grateful for that because they really do have fantastic products. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite shapes and sizes. Some of you might already know what my favorite shapes and sizes from them are because I typically use like kind of the same collection of them in my videos. But anyway, I'm also going to go over why I love Craft Haven so much and why I just exclusively use their tumblers, okay? And have been for a couple of years now. So also, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell button down below so you don't miss a new video. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and we are so close to hitting 100,000 subscribers. I think when I checked this morning, we're like 600 away. So help a girl out, hit that subscribe button. All right, and that's enough chit chat for me. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so here is a typical order of mine from Craft Haven. I order quite a few cups each month because I typically make about 10 cups or so a month in my videos. Sometimes I make extra cups while I'm kind of testing out certain things and whatnot. So let's see what I got, because to be honest with you, I actually forgot what I ordered this month. All right, so everything is nicely nestled in there. Stay amazing, beautiful. I love it. Amy always writes nice little notes for me on my orders. Thank you. All right, so first one I want to go over is this little cutie. Now, this is the 12-ounce wine, which I know I don't work with that often, but I would like to work with it more often because it's just such a cute little canvas. Here it is. This is the 12-ounce wine with the clear rubber lid. So what they mean by rubber lid is it's got that rubber stopper there in the slider. You have the option to do just like, I think it's just a regular gray plastic slider with no seal, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, I'd have to look at it. Okay, but these lids are really well built, super nice. Here's the inside. Look at how gorgeous, okay? And then of course you've got your bottom nice and clean. Love it. And I love how this is like really nice and flat. You could just throw a round of vinyl over that. If you're doing the rhinestones, you could do your glitter mixed with resin nested right into that nice little bottom. Okay, so again, this is the 12-ounce wine with a rubber lid. Now, my second favorite wine cup from her is the 16-ounce fat bottom wine, which you guys see me use kind of often. I like to do this for smaller projects or seasonal things. So here it is, the 16-ounce fat bottom wine. Forgot that I ordered these too. So yes, I do use these a lot. And these just have the regular slider. I don't think these ones come with the option to have the rubber slider like the 12-ounce wine does. You can see the size difference in that this one is taller. You have a smaller base, which can be a little more difficult to work with. It's really hard to get these bases really flat when they're this small and you have the curvature here, but I still love them. And I just think that this shape is so chic and so modern. If you have smaller hands, it is easier to handle as you have this smaller tapered top here. So love, love, love the 16-ounce wine. So The 12 ounce and the 16 ounce fat bottom wine are the two that I would choose for wine tumblers from her. Okay. Now, this one is something that is on sale right now. It's on clearance. I think she's looking to phase these out if I'm not mistaken. But recently I wanted to try my hand at those really cool snow globe tumblers that everybody's making. I think they're so fun. I really didn't want to make these when I first saw them because I was like, man, that looks really difficult. But I figured it out, and actually I made this in about a day and a half. It was really easy and fun to do. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on this. This is where I got this tumbler from, okay? So this is how it comes. It comes with a matching straw. So you get the matching, this one's a tinted straw. I originally got a black straw for this one, but whatever. So you get a matching tinted straw, okay? And you've got the black ears. I think she also has red and yellow, if I'm not mistaken. And this is just really well built acrylic, double walled, okay? So we can drill our little hole in there and do our snow globe action like you see here. So basically we turned this into this. Really fun and inexpensive project to do. All right, so that is the 16 ounce acrylic ears. Okay, so 16 ounce acrylic ears is what this is. And if you're watching this video, you might, if you really want these before I release the tutorial on this, you might want to hurry because I have a feeling that these are going to sell out really quick. And once they're gone, I think they're gone, if I'm not mistaken. I got to double check with her. All right, and so moving on, my next favorite is the 20 ounce skinny straight. No secret that this is my favorite size to work with, my favorite shape to work with. It's straight, which means there's no taper, okay? So by taper, I mean it gets smaller at the bottom than it is on the top. When we have a taper to our tumblers and we're trying to wrap them, like so many of us love to do with water slide or vinyl or things like that, if we have a taper to it, it just makes our job more difficult, okay? When the sides are totally straight, it makes your life so easy, okay? Now, this one is also great for people who have smaller hands like myself, okay? It's nice and easy to carry around. It does come with the 3 options for lids, so you can do the basic sliding lid, you can do a tinted rubber sealed slider lid, or the clear rubber slider lid, okay? So why would you want to have a darker slider lid? Well, if you're doing kind of a darker design or something with a lot of black, it's nice to have that dark slider lid because it just goes in perfectly, okay? But 6 one, half dozen the other, I always say. I love both lid options, but again, this is the clear rubber slider for the 20 ounce skinny. We have a flat bottom here. Does have a little bit of this indentation. And a lot of people ask me, what is that black hole? So it's not actually a black hole, it's just where everything is sealed off right there. So that is not a hole. And I just usually cover this with glitter or vinyl and then epoxy over the whole bottom, okay? So when I'm working with these, I will usually, you know, finish off the whole bottom. I wouldn't tape off this bottom for this particular style. But here's what we got on the inside. Nice and clean, nice and straight, no jingle jingle, okay? And I don't know, I really love this cup style. And in my ice tests, this one lasts great. I mean, you can almost keep, you know, some ice water, pretty much ice water for a good 24 hours, depending on the ambient temperature in your room. But I love this style. Absolutely great. I love, love, love it. Now, the 20 ounce skinnies do not, I don't think these come with straws. I don't know if I'm mistaken on that, but I will double check and put that in the description box on whether or not a straw is included. I know, I do know, maybe they are now. I know they didn't used to be, But I have all these straws, so maybe they do know. All right, so another thing that I like to order is this 10-ounce Stubby. I think these are so cute. So cute. If you have coffee commuters that you're making something for, coffee commuters love these kind of smaller tumblers. I don't know about you, but I don't like to have just a really large thing of coffee. I kind of like these smaller cups because I change up my coffee game throughout the day. Like morning cup is no creamer, later morning cup is a little bit of creamer, and then in the afternoon maybe we do an espresso, but I'm not drinking from a whole 20-ounce cup of coffee all day. So these little 10-ounce stubbies are just absolutely perfect, and they're adorable. These are so fun to decorate. Some of you might remember my vinyl wrap that I did around Mother's Day of last year, where we did the vinyl wrap around here, and then we just painted and lined off this bottom seam. I think the design potential on these is so fun. Also, you've got totally straight sides, so they're really easy to work with. And look how beautiful that bottom is. If you wanted to completely tape off that bottom and leave it exposed, you definitely could. Again, with the 3 options for the lids. Okay, and here is our inside, just absolutely beautiful. So yes, I love these 10-ounce stubbies. Probably in my top 5 favorite cup sizes is this one right here. So much fun. All right, and then last but not least, one of my probably definitely in the top 5 favorite shapes of all time, the 30-ounce traditional. I cannot tell you how much I love this classic silhouette. This is like the OG shape of glitter tumblers when we first started. This is pretty much the only shape that I had. I mean, we had skinny tumblers, but I mean, this was mostly what I started with, okay? So you have the larger top and the skinnier bottom. Again, this is 30 ounces. My husband loves to carry around his 30-ounce tumbler. That's what he drinks his water out of all day. And you have the 3 options for the lid as well. We typically get the clear rubber slider for these also. And then you have a nice stamped bottom. But here's the inside. Okay. Great temperature control. And you guys, all of these tumblers, I think with the exception of the acrylic, you can do hot and cold. We're keeping hot and cold for hours with these. Sometimes we're even talking over 24 hours if we're working within a 70 or so degree environment. All right, so just to recap the styles that I got in my order today, we've got the 30-ounce traditional, the 20-ounce skinny straight, the 10-ounce stubby, the 12-ounce wine, 16-ounce fat bottom wine, and then we have the acrylic ears, 16-ounce acrylic ears, okay? All right, and so then, a word on quality with these is Amy is absolutely dedicated to providing the most quality tumblers that she can provide. She goes through and quality checks her entire stock, okay? She is one of the hardest working women I know. And it's just so important to her that you guys get the best product possible that she can provide. She also works day and night tirelessly to provide you with exceptional customer service. So those were just a couple of the reasons why I chose to work with Craft Haven exclusively on the channel. And also I love the variety. Like, you are just seeing such a small fraction of the many styles that she has to choose from. She's got something for everybody. And if there's something that she doesn't have, I'll just kind of hit her up and say, hey, like, do we have plans to get something like this? And she is open-minded and so willing to do everything she can to get those cool new styles that I've been wanting. So keep an eye out for those, because those are going to be releasing soon. I'm very excited. I can't tell you guys about them, but I know you're going to be excited because I'm really excited. Okay. So anyway, I just absolutely love Craft Haven. I know you will too. All right, and so you guys are gonna find a link for all of these styles down below in the description box. You're even gonna find a 10% off discount code. Save that to your notes. You're not gonna wanna lose it. Be sure to use it, okay? Also, be sure to join the Craft Haven Facebook group so you can stay up to date on all the new restocks and sales. She's got sales going on all the time, okay? I'm also in that group so I can see all the fun projects that you guys put together with these. I hope you guys love this video. I enjoyed making it. I love talking about Craft Haven tumblers. They are absolutely fantastic. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.